poursuivons les interviews pour cette 23e édition du Private Equity Exchange. Je reçois 2 lauréats sur le plateau. Vous le savez, au Private Equity Exchange, nous remettons une vingtaine de trophées aux fonds les plus performants de la place à travers d'un processus de sélection et de vote fait par les LPs et les acteurs du marché qui votent tout au long du mois d'octobre pour élire les meilleurs des meilleurs. Alors aujourd'hui, je reçois, et je vais passer en anglais, ceux qui ont gagné un trophée, celui de meilleur fonds espagnol. Thank you for being with us today.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations again for the awards you just won on stage.
Merci beaucoup.
Maybe I give you just a second to introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Alfredo Bru. I'm a CEO and founding partner of SHERPA Capital.
My name is Jorge Fernandez. I'm a partner of SHERPA Capital and I'm the main responsible of the investment team.
Thank you very much. So you come directly from Madrid or Barcelona?
Yeah, we came from Madrid. Yeah.
How this award crystallize a strategy, a position in Spain that you developed, and maybe what is the strategy of SHERPA? What is the size, AUM, the teams?
We are really honored to receive this award on behalf of our team, and it has been 15 years working really hard as a private equity in Spain and Portugal. Our size nowadays, we are managing 350 million AUM. And our strategy, it has been during this whole year's operational value. You know, we are really close, hands-on and close to the companies that we invest with an operational team and investment team. Altogether, we are 40 people.
40 people
so
for 350.
Yeah,
so it's quite a lot.
Yeah.
You invested a lot in value creation.
Totally, yeah. We started in 2010 with the situation of the crisis and investing in distress situations. And we have developed a methodology and with the team to be really close and to help the companies that in the end are the important things to help the companies to improve and to grow.
But you still invest only in turnaround or you also invest in vanilla?
We are investing in performing companies, but they have to face, let's say, big challenges. I mean, they want to grow or they are growing, but they have to organize. Somehow they are looking...
You like transformation and pivots.
Yeah. We are partners that allow the companies to keep growing and to face some challenges in terms of organizations, or we are still investing in special situations.
As Alfredo mentioned, we started with a special situations strategy. Now we have opened 2 different strategies, the private equity strategy and special situations. But our future is more close to have the same fund for both strategies and be focused in value creation.
Tickets from to?
We are investing in companies, obviously distress is distress, so in terms of tickets, sometimes
negative value.
But mainly performing, we are now pointing from above 3 million EBITDA to 7-8 million EBITDA. This is the area that we are now.
And normally the ticket is 20 million to the range to 20 to 30 million euros.
How do you see the Spanish private equity market compares maybe to Europe? Because here you're receiving an awards among 20 awards for every region.
Yep.
So that's quite a question. Of course, in France we are quite proud of being one of the main markets. But how Spain is going on in terms of LPs, in terms of market deepness, in terms of structuration of the market itself, of the GPs?
I think like almost always we are a little bit a step behind the European market, but I think the last years has been good years for the Spanish market. And I think that the market is getting much more mature. The companies are getting used to be invested by private equities. I don't know, Jorge, how you say it?
Yes, well, as Alfredo said, I think that 10 years ago nobody knows about private equity, only the main cities like Madrid and Barcelona. And now I think there is a big change. As you know, Spain is a country where there is a lot of low mid-market companies and own family business, and it's more difficult to invest in this type of companies because they normally don't know nothing about private equity. But during the last 10 years, I think that we make a big catch up.
There's emerged.
Yes, there's emerged, and also now I think that we are in the phase that there is starting to be more vertical private equity or capital solutions and debt solutions That I think that is a big progress in that terms. And now the companies, they have more solutions to choose, not only the more traditional LBO.
Thank you very much. You said it, you work on transformation and value creation, and this is, I think, a big part of your DNA.
Yeah.
If we had, I know you had numerous success stories, I am sure of it, but if we had to talk about only one that gathers everything you do, that you're very proud of, one success stories you've been working on.
It's hard
it's not prepared.
To choose.
So.
Yeah, it's hard to choose one. I guess probably I could talk about a company called Indo, where we invest when they were, having really troubles.
What's the industry?
It's a optician industry, so they produce lenses. So we invested when they were in troubles. In fact, they were in bankruptcy. So we did an asset deal. We helped the company to be or to perform or to transform from minus 2 million euros EBITDA to 8 million euros EBITDA. We sell and we co-invest, and we help the company to achieve almost 12 million EBITDA. And we did with the R&D department. In the meantime, we did a spin-off. And finally, this spin-off of this R&D department, after 6 years, we helped them to achieve almost 5 million EBITDA, and we sell it to Oakley Capital, an English fund. So it was a quite successful history, but I think that we have many others, and it's not just about numbers. I mean, helping in distress is helping to companies alone not to disappear, and helping in performing companies as we help to make them grow is to make the medium-sized companies stronger. And one problem that we have in Spain, at least, is the size of the company. So helping them to be bigger is helping the industry and the economy to succeed.
This is one of the best parts in turnaround or
Totally.
tough situations where equity or quasi-equity is the only solution, because debt is already here.
Yeah.
All the guys working with you don't want to give you materials if you don't pay everything. So on the financial side, operation side, and debt side for finance, for refinancing, it's impossible. So turnaround funds are the solution. So we tell you that in lots of different shows on this channel. Do not hesitate to talk with these kind of funds that can be a real help. One quick word, 10 seconds about, are you fundraising right now? What can we wish for SHERPA for next year?
Yes, Jorge said we are now merging both strategies. We feel like it makes a lot of sense to have an operational value strategy all together, because in fact we are the same team doing both. And we feel quite comfortable. I think we are mixing the capability to deploy that the performing companies are with the opportunistic view of special situations. So for the next fund that is going to be, we are now in fundraising, so we expect to close it during the next year. We are going to do this 250 to 300 million, but it's the spot we feel comfortable.
In both institutionals and LPs and retail, or only LPs?
Both.
Both.
I mean, we have really good partners in the LP base, but as well we are working for many years with some high net worth individuals, so we are going to do both.
So that's a rendezvous. See you next year when you will be 500 AUM.
Of course.
Yeah,
we hope so. Gracias.
Thank
you very much.
Bye.
Have a good day.
Thank
On
you very
continue
much.
dans un instant la suite des interviews avec d'autres lauréats et d'autres intervenants qui viendront partager avec nous les secrets du private equity. On se retrouve dans un instant sur Be Smart for Change.